Good morning, I'm Dr. Brian with P3 Physiotherapy. Today I'm going to show you how to use a jump stretch band to loosen up your shoulders and your upper back. So what you do is you take the jump stretch band, throw it up over the weight rack, and really you're just pulling it back through itself. And what you're going to do now is you're going to take your hand, you're going to put it through the jump stretch band, and you're going to let your hands kind of claw it like this. And really what that's to do is to allow you to use your hand the least amount as possible. I want you to hold, I don't want you to drop it, but I don't want you really like grabbing onto it because that's going to activate a lot of muscles in here that we don't want to activate. But you're going to have your hand in here, and what you're going to do is you're going to square yourself off to the pivot point. You're going to back up, you're going to start getting some tension on this arm. You're going to let this arm come forward, you're going to keep that back straight, you're going to lean forward. And now the most critical thing for this is you're going to feel a stretch right here under your arm, your latissimus dorsi, your lat muscle there is being stretched out here. Your shoulder's being pulled a little bit out of your socket, but that's good. We're just getting some ranges of motion in there. And all you're gonna do, the most important thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this elbow and turn it in. And what that's gonna do, that really winds up your shoulder and allows you to effectively get the most out of this exercise. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna try and keep that back as straight as possible and take some big deep breaths in while you're doing this. So, and on those out breaths, try and let that arm stretch out a little bit more every single time. Try and get 1 more millimeter, 1 more inch, 1 more little bit of anything you can. Do 2 minutes on each side and then retest, see how well you can move your hands up over your head. This is a really great way to help loosen things up, especially if your upper back is tight. But also if you've done a rowing workout, sometimes I do this after doing archery or swimming, other things like that as well too. This is a really great thing to get some motion in that area.